I'll call this sky, why is the sky blue, but the official name for it is scattering. First of all, please remember that from left to right on the color spectrum, there is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And as you go left to right, those wavelengths go from longer and lower energy to shorter and higher energy. Well, to the left of what we can see, to the left of red, is infrared. The infrared radiation coming from the sun is real low energy and real long wavelengths. All the way to the right of the spectrum is real short wavelengths, but very high powerful, high energy wavelengths of ultraviolet. What we have to remember is all that radiation is coming to us from the sun all the time, even though we can't see anything that's not in the visible spectrum. So why is the sky blue? When the radiation is passing through the layers of our atmosphere, these shorter wavelengths pinball around and get reflected and refracted more. So they bounce off all the air molecules, they bounce off the dust particles or pollutants that might be in the sky, the clouds, and so the bluish, blue, indigo, and violet colors are constantly getting refracted or reflected more. And the official name for that is scattering. So when we look up at the sky, those colors are the ones getting bounced back up, trampolined back up, you could say, and the sky looks bluish. Now, the reason that you can have kind of a reddish, orange, yellowish look to the sky on the horizon at dusk and dawn is the sun is at a lower angle to the earth, and now the reddish or orangish or yellowish rays can make their way through a thinner portion of the atmosphere. So the sky can look red or orange or yellow. This has important implications for our health too. If you look at my little picture here at the top, the black circle is supposed to be a human cell. The wavelengths to the left of the spectrum are really long and are only going to pass through the cell a minimal amount of times. On the other hand, the ultraviolet waves are very short and high energy, and they're going to pass through our cells a lot. This is why you have to have UV protection in your sunscreen and in our eyeglasses, because it's those very high energy waves that are causing damage to us and eventually could cause skin cancer or cancer to other parts of our eyes.